Alright, so welcome to the next video. So here I'm going to show you guys how you can make your withdrawals on WarriorPlus, and there are actually you have many choices, many ways to withdraw your earnings from WarriorPlus. One, you can use PayPal account, you can use your bank account, your local bank account, which is your Nigeria bank account. Now actually there are actually conditions on where you can actually withdraw your earnings to. When you sell on WarriorPlus as a vendor, you can only collect your earnings via PayPal, via your PayPal account, Now, once you're earning, actually it's not something you place withdrawal for. It is instant. Your money is sent, automatically goes to your PayPal account. Once you make a purchase, once you earn a purchase, once someone buy your products, your money is sent immediately to your PayPal account. So it doesn't hang somewhere. It's instant. You get your money in straight to your PayPal account. And you can see these are just some of the recent sales I had last month in the month of July. And then you can see, so if I head over to my PayPal account, let's see my PayPal account, and you can see here I have you can see, so the payment. Okay, let me just cite an example. You can see this is a payment of $17. Let me see. I want to see the transaction. Let me open transaction in new tab. So you can see this is a payment of $17, and then okay, this is an affiliate sale, WarriorPlus affiliate sale. So you can see it was 50% commission. So here is a 50% commission. So my own profit is around $8 right here, and then another purchase here is a commission, maybe 60% commission. Here is a payment from okay, this is another payment again, $27. Okay, there is no commission right here, you can see. And then this is another payment from, okay, this is a payment from WarriorPlus itself, and then you can see on and on like that. So that's, I get payments, I get my earnings into my PayPal as a vendor. It's direct, it's instant, it goes straight right there. So okay, I think I was trying to open the transaction. I want to see the products actually. The product someone paid for at some $17. This network is always, so let me see. Let's see if it's going to okay, it's telling me to re-log in again. Okay. Should I log in? Okay, let me just log in and see. Let me log into my account. All right, so it's still loading, it's kind of loading. So this is a transaction, transaction details, payments received. This is okay, 300 PRR Maze puzzle ebook pack. So that's $17. The buyer November brewer something $17. So you can see for immediately I make a purchase on WarriorPlus, I get my payments inside my PayPal account, and then they just PayPal deducts their own transaction fee, about $1, and then WarriorPlus deducts their own a little charge of, I think, very 1% or so. They deduct their own 1% charge. So you can see, so I get my payment right here. Let's, if I can even locate November brewer, you can see from my email, November brewer just went to $17, and you can see $17 with PayPal. So if I come over here, $17 for PayPal, you can see November brewer. That's what's the name? That's the payment for these products which I sold on WarriorPlus. So that's exactly how that works. It's as simple as that. November brewer. So you can see here. You can see here. So that's exactly. And you can see the next purchase, Info Media, $10. So I think I saw it in my email. So let's see. Info Wise Media, $10. So that's how it works on and on. You can see the next one is $27. Where is it? I think it's the same thing. $27, Info Wise Media. So that's how it works. Once you make your purchase, of course, you get a notification in your email address. Once you get your email inside your email address, you also get, okay, the money actually goes to your PayPal account, and then you get a notification in your email address. That's for when, as a vendor, when you sell as a vendor, your money is automatically processed for you to your PayPal account. You get the money inside your PayPal account. Then as an affiliate, yes, as an affiliate, okay, your earnings goes to okay, I think I should open my history here as well. your earnings goes into your, what's the name, your earning goes into your okay, sorry, when as an affiliate, okay, when you're going to make your withdrawal, you can actually, now I have an empty balance here already. So once these are pending clearance, we're waiting about, I think 5 days or so, yeah, 5 days to clear. So once they are cleared, I'm going to get my, you're going to move over here as they get cleared, and then I can now place withdrawal. The minimum I can withdraw is $10. The minimum for withdrawal is $10. So I'm trying to see the history. So once you get a minimum of $10, you can withdraw to your PayPal account, and that's the only place you can actually withdraw to. You can withdraw to your PayPal account, but once you reach about $100, you can withdraw from $100 upwards to your bank account. You can withdraw to your the Nigerian bank account, but sometimes it actually takes a while, for a week. You have to wait for like a week before your money arrives. So I don't use it most times. I just withdraw my earnings to your PayPal account, and I think this is one of them. You can see the withdrawal actually failed. The withdrawal failed, so I just went back and then withdrew through my PayPal account, and once I got my money instant, within 24 hours, my money was sent to PayPal account and I withdrew. So that's how you can actually receive money directly to your bank account, but you have to wait for like a week. But you get high exchange rate of about 350 or so. Yes, about 350. But it's advisable to withdraw to PayPal, so you get your money very quick, and you can easily withdraw to your bank through your PayPal account, or you sell to a vendor who will exchange your money to Naira and pay you in Naira. So that's how you get paid on WarriorPlus. You can get paid as a vendor directly to your PayPal account. It's automatically processed, or you get paid to your bank account as an affiliate. Remember, your earnings and an affiliate is going into the, what's the name, the wallet. So your earnings are processed to the wallet, and from there you can decide to withdraw to your PayPal account, or you withdraw to your bank account. So that's all about that, how you can make your withdrawals on your from WarriorPlus. As a seller, you can withdraw to your as a seller, your earnings goes directly automatically into your PayPal account, and as a vendor, your earnings, you have the right, you have the privilege to direct where your earnings go to, whether you want to take it to your Payoneer account. You can actually add your Payoneer account to your Payoneer account, or to your Nigerian bank account, whether current or savings account, or you actually want to take your affiliate earnings back to your PayPal account. So that's just how you with your earnings withdrawal work on WarriorPlus. So I hope you understand the video. If you don't understand, you can ask me question with the link at the end of this video series to get in touch with me. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to walk you through the last step. I'm going to show you a practical case study, how I personally make money on WarriorPlus, and how I turn from $5 to $2,000 plus earnings right here on WarriorPlus. And actually, they have many case scenarios from $0 free products to $500 to $1,000. I'm going to give you just one case study right here. Just going to show you how I turned from $5 to $2,000 pure profit. So I'm going to wait for you in the next video. You walk you step by step how I did just that. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.